Hey guys, I know everything's been kind of a little bit crazy lately, and even story time is changing. You guys are going to see me on your mom's phone, or your grandma's phone, or the tablet, or computer, just for a little while till things go back to normal. So this story time is going to be a mixture of book bunch, book babies, and toddler tales all in one video. So I'm so excited you guys decided to join and watch. We are going to do 3 books today, and they all have something in common, and our crafts go along with that. But first, because in Book Babies and Toddler Tales we sing just to greet everybody and get everybody excited about the story time. So we are going to sing our all-time favorite song, Roly Poly. So if you've never sung Roly Poly with us, what you got to do is you've got to ball your fists up, just like this. These are your Roly Polies. And then we are going to follow the directions of the song. So if I say up, 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 you move your Roly Polies up. If I say down, 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 you move your Roly Polies down, down, down. So are you ready? Get your Roly Polies ready. All right, ready? Roly poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly poly, roly poly, down, 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 down. Roly poly, out, 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 out. Roly poly, roly poly, in, 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 in. Roly poly, fast, 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 fast. Roly poly, roly poly. Slow, 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 slow. Good job, you guys. You guys are awesome. Then we're going to do another one, and I think everybody knows this song. But first, I need to see your spider fingers. Can you all get your spider fingers ready? All right, we're going to sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay, ready? Spider fingers are ready? We're going to start singing. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job! All right, you guys. Before we read our stories, I am going to show you our crafts. Okay, our first craft is a pine cone bird feeder. All of our crafts are bird feeders today because birds love to eat. I know I like to eat, and I know you like to eat too. Birds do too, because all of our books have birds in them today. So, all the instructions will be on the link to do this craft. The next one are pipe cleaner bird feeders. If you have Cheerios and pipe cleaners, or yarn, or shoestrings, or Fruit Loops work too. Anything that's a circle. Circle cereal works perfect for this. Or if you don't have any of those things to put your circle cereal on, slide them on a thin branch of a tree. The birds will be just as happy with that too. And our